Think and Grow Rich is the most successful personal development book ever written. For high achievers, Think and Grow Rich is a foundational work, almost a Bible of success. It was first published in 1937 and was written by the late Napoleon Hill. He has written a number of books, but this is his most successful one. Initially, I thought this is a book on wealth management or ways to increase my earning. I was surprised that the book doesn't offer any advice on making money. Instead, it focuses on getting wealthy psychologically. The author, Napoleon Hill, offers a series of helpful advice on how to set your mindset for success and riches. Before reading this book, I never pay attention to how my psychology is playing a part in achieving success. But the book offers me a new perspective to inspect myself. So, let's distill its timeless wisdom into 3 key lessons that can propel you toward the prosperity you've always envisioned. Lesson 1. Have a burning desire. The critical word here is burning. A burning desire is what ignites the creation of your dream. Many people begin to follow a personal dream, and when it becomes tough, they give up halfway through. Sometimes, they give up when the dream was simply a moment away. Napoleon Hill says that for you to achieve a dream, you need to have a burning desire to accomplish it. You need to be in a position where you will do whatever it takes to achieve it. He gives the example of Henry Ford and the V12 engine. The great industrialist and his engineers had a very difficult time when creating the first V12 engine. It was almost impossible. However, Henry was determined, and he assertively told his engineers that they must achieve his vision. Eventually, they did. This is a sure sign that if you believe in yourself and your vision, you will accomplish it. Lesson 2. Win or quit, pick a side. Napoleon Hill famously indicated in this book that winners do not quit and quitters do not win. From a real-life perspective, this statement rings true. Failure is part of the process of winning. If you fail, understand that it is temporary. After that, create a new plan, fix the initial problem, and keep going. The road to one's dream is paved with heartbreak, pain, loss, and failure. Many people give up halfway there due to perceived failure. They let the failure overcome them and they give up. Napoleon Hill indicates that failure is simply a lesson in what not to do. It is a pointer on how not to go about something. Failure shows you that you need to try a different approach to accomplish something. Just to encourage you, failure just means that you are getting closer to your goal. Lesson 3. Have faith. Faith is a belief in something that you cannot see but can feel. Mr. Hill indicates that it is absolute certainty with no fear, trepidation, or hesitation that you will achieve exactly what you desire. There are many people who begin chasing their dreams with a feverish excitement. However, they begin to encounter some obstacles. They experience doubt and disbelief from their friends and family. This doubt in their dream begins to eat at them and causes them to lose faith in themselves. Eventually, they lose faith in their dreams too. Nobody said achieving your goals is easy. You need to have faith that is solid as a rock. It will be your firm foundation during the tough times and the bedrock upon which you build your dream. Napoleon Hill's book, Think and Grow Rich, has influenced some of the most successful business people in the world today. It is full of lessons which can help you to turn a simple idea into billions. The lessons are practical, straightforward, and easy to apply in your life. Some of them are described in this video. They are sure guidelines to a better, richer future for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, keep growing, keep striving, and let's all think and grow rich together.